Welcome to the product snapshot of our IBS Hardboard Underlay. IBS Hardboard Underlay is a quality durable product specifically designed to be used over strip timber, particle board, plywood and concrete floors to provide a flat, uniform, indent-resistant base for all vinyl floor type coverings, and is tough, flexible and resistant to cracking or fracturing. IBS Hardboard Underlay minimises the adverse effects of movement in the floor coverings as it bridges any small irregularities in the subfloor. It is available in 1220 by 915 by 5mm thick and can be simply scored, snapped or cut with any common woodworking tools. IBS Hardboard Underlay is Super E0, meaning very low formaldehyde, and has no added chemicals or resins. Visit our website for more information as well as available merchant stockists.